Namaste everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel MathTech. This is my first video related to GeoGebra and it will be very useful for beginners level about what are the various tools related to GeoGebra. Let's move to the video. Open GeoGebra app. This is GeoGebra Classic 5. I have GeoGebra Classic 6 also, but I recommend you to use GeoGebra 5. Now let's open it. Click on maximize button to maximize it. Now let's explore menu bar and toolbar. This one is menu bar, in which we have file menu, we have edit menu, view menu, options menu, tools menu, window menu and help menu. New window, similar to other program, Control plus N, and new. Open, Control plus O is shortcut key. Open from web page. From web page also we can open documents. Open recent document can also be opened from here. This one is to save, we have to press Control plus S, just same as the other options. Save as, save online, export. In this menu we can export document as web page, HTML, or graphics view as picture, graphics view as animated GIF, graphics view to clipboard. Like this we can export our GeoGebra file document to these formats. Print preview, this helps to show the print, and close all plus F for similar meaning. And edit menu. In edit menu we have undo, Control plus Z, redo, Control plus Y, copy, Control plus C, paste, Control plus V, and graphics view to clipboard we have to press Control plus Shift plus C. Then insert image from file, we can insert image from file. If you want to insert picture or other format, other document, we can insert image from file or from clipboard. Pictures or images can be inserted here in GeoGebra from this. And object properties, we can find properties of object in here. Then select all, Control plus A, similar. And in view menu, this is very important. We have algebra view. This is algebra view. So you can click on it. And to enable algebra view, just click on view, then click on algebra. This is algebra. This is algebra view. Another spreadsheets. If we click on spreadsheets, this Excel format will be opened like this. This one is a spreadsheet. Click on it to close. Then view cache. This is cache format. So to cache format like this. If we click on the drop this one, a small triangle on the top in the middle of the page here on the right side, at the middle of the page, one menu will be opened, and this one is GeoGebra perspectives, GeoGebra graphing, cache, geometry, 3D graphics, spreadsheets, and probability. From here also we can enable graphics, then cache, then geometry like this, 3D graphics, spreadsheets, probability like this. And from view also we can click on graphics. Yes, this is graphics view. Again view, this is algebra. Yes, and then after we have keyboard also, virtual keyboard also. We have virtual keyboard here. We can bring it here. Virtual keyboard. Then in view, the most important is input bar. Here input bar is not shown. So if you want to enable input bar, we have to click on view, then click on this, check the box, then input bar will come here. This one is input bar. Then again view, click on input bar to hide it. Again view, click on input bar to show. Input bar is very important. Then in layout also, if you go to layout menu, then we have input bar. From here also we can hide or show input bar, and here two options are here. If you click on here, input bar will be above the this graphics window, and if you click on the next one, input bar will be below the graphics window. Like this, we can put input bar above or below the graphics window, like this. Yes, input bar below the graphics window, input bar above the graphics window. Then if you want to show or hide toolbar, we can do it from to layout. Just input toolbar is hidden, again toolbar is shown. Yes, so toolbar help also, like this. We can enable toolbar help also. Toolbar, where to show toolbar? Below the graphics, on side, on right side, or above. Especially we show the toolbar above the graphics window, so this one is better. Then show title bar. Yes, this is title bar, like this. Allows a style bar. This one is a style bar, and this one is title. Yes, okay. So title bar, style bar, like this. Show sidebar, sidebar. Where to show sidebar? Like this. Okay. Now this one is layout, and in layout also we have object properties here. This is preferences graphics. From here we can enable x-axis. We can make axis bold. We can select line style. What type of line do we want? Yes, line style like this, line style, and we can change the color of the axis. Let's make it red, like this. And x-axis, show numbers, hide numbers, show numbers, hide numbers, positive numbers only, like this. Positive numbers or negative positive numbers only. Stick to edge, the axis will be stick to edge, x-axis, like this. Let's uncheck it. Y-axis, show numbers, hide numbers, positive direction only. X-axis also positive direction only. Then like this, axis will be like this. Then after stick to edge, yes, y-axis stick to edge, both will be stick to edge. Let's uncheck it. Then grid, this is also important. Show grid, stick to edge is over there. No. Positive numbers, let's uncheck it. Y-axis also positive numbers, let's uncheck it. Grid, measure grid lines. This one is measure grid lines, and this one is measure and minor grid lines. Yes, like this. Line style also, we can select what type of line do you want. This one is not good, this one is better. And bold also, line style can also be made bold or with not bold. Yes, then color can also be selected from here. Let's check. Yes, this is just like the graphs of our printed in our copy, graph copy. You can say select this color also. Yeah, like this. You can change the background of your graphs. Yes, grid, major grid lines and minor grid lines. And color, what type of color do you want to use? Yes, select from here, and bold or not bold, like this. X-axis, y-axis, and basics. In basics also we can play with this graphics view. Yes, like this. This one is preferences. From here also we can change color, style, algebra, point size. We will talk about it later on. And this is degree, radian, in which you want to put your angle unit. Right angle, like this, emphasize the right angle. Coordinate, how do you want to present the coordinate? A equal to xy, or A like this. This one is easy, A equal to xy. And continuity, on or off. Use path, like this. You can select whatever you want. And here also font size is given. Yes, 18 point. Yeah, like this. 16 point.